And welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics, and in today's video I'm going to try to fix this iPhone 10R. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my stuff here. Okay, there we go. So that's really it from what I need at the moment. So I will be using a hairdryer because and let's go ahead and start the disassembly process. I already took out the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the iPhone, and I had no luck using this little spudger to actually get into the screen and lift it up. I was just actually able to use this. I did not want to do this because it is metal and it's not flexible, obviously, but I was able to finally lift the screen up a bit with this flat screwdriver, and I just pulled the screen up and stuff. I'm gonna hit the iPhone again. Okay, I'm done, I think. It's usually to the point that you can't touch it. It's not that hot right now, but let's go ahead and try this one more time and hope I do not crack the screen and or break any flex cables, but it's off. Okay. I already see the wire damage indicators is red. Let's see here. Oh, whoops. So we're gonna disconnect. Let me see here if everything works fine. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna turn it off now. I'm gonna put the phone like that. I'm gonna grab our screwdriver here, and we're gonna change to our Y000. There we go. Our screen should be off. Don't really have anything to do. I don't know if I should do this, but I want to take out the motherboard. So, I don't know, there's just some watermarks here. The sticker right there is red. Let me see if I can take the Face ID stuff out. Oh, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect everything on the motherboard and inspect the connectors to see that there's no corrosion. There we go. Will this come right out? Careful with the cables here. Okay. Huh. That's cool. Let's see, I'm gonna remove the Taptic engine now. go. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna put everything back together, making sure that there's no fingerprints or corrosion, I guess. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna put in the speaker first. Okay, and like we did first, we're gonna put this iPhone 4 box like that. And now we're gonna grab this piece here, and we're gonna screw it in. I'm gonna put it like that, connect the battery, and turn it on. This is the scary part. Oh god, okay, I'm gonna wait for that to turn on. Okay, we're back. So, from what I can see, everything is working. Sadly, of course, I got the error again of Face ID not working if I turn it off. Yeah. So I didn't expect anything. I didn't really touch or do anything to that. And we still have that. If we go down in here. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So, oh well. I mean, I'm happy that it's still on. And actually, I should check cameras. Okay, so, works.
I don't know what you mean by.
Okay, we're gonna close the phone now. Okay, I don't know how sad it. Oh, sad life. I talked over it. Real quick, let's see here. Works. Like I never touched it. Okay, that's it for today's video, I guess. Let me just put the last 2 screws in here. It's kind of disappointing because I couldn't fix any of the problems it has, which actually is just Face ID, but it was fun to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you made it this far, I really do appreciate it a lot. I kind of enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and peace out.